northeastern Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Kannapolis, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Rockwell and Faith around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Gold Hill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cabarrus, and Rowan. The National Weather Service in